Hey guys, I thought I'd share this video in case anyone else is having this issue. So this is for a Challenger shaker with the cold air intake box that has the cutout in the side of it. So what this does is the headlamp kit for the air to go through the headlight into the cold air intake box. So for me, I was concerned about bugs getting through into the cold air intake. So what I did was I got this screen that has adhesive on it and cut it to fit this dimension here. And what you use is a hair dryer, put it on hot setting, and just mold it around the edges here. And then if you want to make extra precaution, you can super glue the edges. But it turned out pretty good. It's got a little bit of give here, but I don't think it's going anywhere. So just thought I'd share that with you guys in case anyone else out there is having the same concern. Cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully I'll be posting more soon. Thanks.